Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock your Apple Watch Ultra and confirm it's updated so settings match what I describe. Once done, keep your iPhone close if you prefer the Watch app method. Press the digital crown and open Settings on the watch. This gets you directly to display controls, which is faster than digging through complications. You're aiming for the display and brightness section. That's where night mode lives. This first step prepares the device and places you exactly where you need to act next. Now you'll disable night mode. In Settings, choose Display and Brightness, scroll to night mode and tap the toggle to off. You should see the red or dimmed overlay disappear, which confirms the change. If you prefer the iPhone, open the paired watch app, go to Display and Brightness and toggle night mode off there. Changes sync instantly. Make sure to check the watch face afterwards so you know the appearance returned to normal. This method ensures you cut night mode at the source. Finish by making night mode easy to access. Add its tile to Control Center so you can toggle it quickly next time. If the toggle doesn't respond, restart your Apple Watch Ultra. This clears temporary glitches and often fixes setting hangs. Make sure Watch OS is current. An outdated system can misbehave. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch from the iPhone as a last resort. This resets synced settings and typically restores normal behavior. That troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.